Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can manage privacy settings on Facebook Dating. Maybe you want to manage your privacy settings on Facebook Dating but you don't know how. In today's video, I am going to show you on how you can manage your privacy settings on Facebook Dating. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. And then from here, tap on this heart button and then you'll be directed into your Facebook Dating. From here, tap on the settings at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, tap on this General. And then here, scroll down and under the account, you'll see the privacy settings. Once you tap on it, you will see in here who can see your dating profile. Your dating profile can be seen by anyone who joins dating, except your current Facebook friends and anyone you block. If you become friends with a suggested match or interact with the friends using a crush feature, your dating profile will still be visible to them. In here, as you can see, suggest friends over friends. If you don't want it, simply toggle this button to turn it off. And there you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage your privacy settings on Facebook Dating, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage the privacy settings on your Facebook Dating, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.